Hello everyone, my name is Subham Gajara. I am pursuing my Electronics and Communication Engineering from Government Engineering College Rajkot. Today I am here to explain few words about Wireless Local Area Network, which is also known as WLAN. Before going to the brief, let's understand what we are going to learn in this Wireless Local Area Network. First point is introduction to and history. Second is advantage and disadvantage. Now we will also learn the classification of WLAN and also the practical use of WLAN. Now let's understand history and introduction of WLAN. What is WLAN? WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network. Sometimes it is also called as Local Area Wireless Network. Norman Epsom, a professor at University of UI, developed the world's first wireless computer connection network, Aloha Net, operation in 1971. WLAN is a wireless network that connects two or more devices using spectrum or OFDM radio within a limited area such as home, school, laboratory, etc. WLAN is marked under the Wi-Fi brand name. It is popularly because of easy installation and less maintenance. So WLAN is widely used nowadays. Advantages of WLAN: installation flexibility, no cable to pull, few transmitter and receiver for multiple users. Second one is reduction cost. Mobile devices are less expensive than computer workstations. No need to build wiring closes. Third is mobility. Access to real-time information, provide service and opportunities, promote flexibility and support productivity. Here we can see that advantages of WLAN are too good. So WLAN is mostly used in worldwide. Now let us understand the disadvantages of wireless local area network. First one is cost. Wireless network card cost 4 times more than the wired network cost. The access points are more expensive than hubs and wire. Environmental conditions accept the most. Susceptibility to the weather and solar activity, constrained by building and trees and terrain. Less capacity. Solar bandwidth affects the most. So the disadvantages are too less compared to the advantages of WLAN. Fourth is classification of WLAN. WLAN is classified mainly in two types: peer-to-peer network, client-to-server network. It is divided on the basis of relationship of PC or devices on the network, with the other in terms of control will be dependent on the choice of the network. In these two types of special software are used for the controlling of the system. So now let us understand the brief about the classification of WLAN. First one is peer-to-peer network. In this type of network, each computer is responsible for making its own resources available to the other computer on network. Each computer is responsible for setting up and maintaining its own security for its resources and also responsible for accessing the required network resource from peer-to-peer relationship when it is used. If the network security is not an important issue, if all the users are suitable in the same area, if the possible of the future expansion is less. As shown in the diagram, peer-to-peer relationship, there are four computers. Each are connected with other two. Second classification is client-server network. In this type of network, certain computer works like a server and other acts like a client. Local area network LAN is based on the client-server network relationship. The individual workstation in the network are core clients. The certain computer which allows the client access software and the databases is called server. As shown in the figure, client and server relationship are the response and the request of the client. Server gives the response to the client and the client again gives the request to the server. In the also the diagram, there are three computers. Each are connected to the server, means the server is the main computer in this client server network. Practical use of WLAN in the corporate, education, finance and healthcare. In the corporate, mobile network for email, file sharing and web browsing. Education, connectivity to the university for the collaboration and class activities. Finance, the traders can receive up to date the second pricing information. Facilities of electronic payment. Healthcare, emergency medical information readily available in the access of schedule information. Nowadays, all the things are done because of the WLAN only. The internet connectivity, the WLAN is the most widely used network in this world. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.